Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a glitter table for Lord Ganesha. So you can use this for any god or goddess as a home decor. So this is a very easy way of making a glitter table and it is useful too. So it will also look attractive. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity we need a square piece of white paper. So you guys can take any color you like because we're just going to cover it with glitter paper at last. So the first step is that we have to fold this paper in half like this. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to open this and we have to fold the paper in the opposite side. So now we have to fold all the 4 sides of the paper to the middle point. Like this. So next step is that we have to fold any 2 sides of the paper to the middle point. Like this. Now we have to fold the opposite side. So next we have to open these 2 sides and we have to fold the other 2 opposite sides to the middle point like this. Next step is that we have to open it and we also have to open any 2 corners like this. So now we have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So next step is that we have to take the bottom part and we have to fold it to the top point like this. So a triangle is formed on the bottom like this. So now we have to take the top part and we should fold it to the bottom and a triangle should be formed on the top. So now we have to repeat the same step onto the opposite side as well. Now we have to open it and we have to open any two sides. Next we just have to press on it on the box and we just have to press on it in the bottom. Now after we're done pressing, we just have to slide this part inside. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. So now we have a paper box. So next step is that we just have to cut out a square piece of red glitter paper and we have to cut out 4 rectangular strips of paper like this. So now we have to apply some glue onto the square piece of paper. So I'm applying some glue. Now we have to stick this part on top of the box like this. Now I'm just turning it and I'm pressing on it so that it sticks well. So after we complete this, we just have to stick the 4 rectangular strips onto all the sides of the box. So I'm applying glue on all the sides. So next I'm going to stick all of these on all the sides of the box like this. So now our paper glitter table is ready. So we can take any god and we can place it on top of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye.